Hello, friends. There is Zmotion Technology. XPCIE1032H super high-speed EtherCAT motion control card learning continues. Today, let's see how to make the motion continuous and smooth synchronously. The main functions are merge continuous algorithm and speed look-ahead functions. Former knowledge, Lesson 1 to Lesson 12. You can review them as you needed. Or other information, please contact us. Let's begin today's learning. What is speed look-ahead? After setting look-ahead parameters by the command in Motion program, it will automatically optimize speed or trajectory. Specifically, according to those parameters. It plans each motion segment's speed. And with acceleration, deceleration control. To make it run at high efficiency. What's more, it can recognize the deceleration in advance. Under corresponding modes, do actions. Especially when the merge continuous motion is matched together. The whole motion will be more flexible. There won't be with so many worn parts. Your device can be used longer. This main C# command is this. It supports 3 modes in total. Mode 2, Mode 32, and Mode 8. They indicate corner deceleration, auto chamfering, and speed limit respectively. These are corresponding modes parameters. It will be shown and operated in following C# routine. For more details, please check Zmotion PC Programming Manual. You can download it from website. Okay, see modes one by one. Mode 2 at first. The corner deceleration. While moving at high speed. If the angle between commands is too large, it will cause a big machine impact and trajectory deviation. To process this situation, you can use Mode 2 corner deceleration. It will check the angle change to determine whether to decelerate. In this way, the machine shaking problem can be improved well. Make the motion stable. And please note it will not change the trajectory. Generally, when you need high accuracy, no requirement on speed. Corner deceleration is very suitable. See one example. There are 4 motions, S1, S2, S3, S4. Which means there are 3 connection positions. From OA to AB, and from AB to BC, then BC to CD. One angle is made between each 2 motions. It can be seen angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Then the corner deceleration is to compare this angle with set deceleration angle. Whether to do declaration for current motion segment. Here, angle 1 is smaller set deceleration angle. It will not decelerate. Angle 2 is greater than it, so it will decelerate. For angle 3, it is larger than the stop angle, decelerate to 0 directly. The second mode, Mode 32, auto chamfering. If there is one big corner, then the corner position will be very rough. Speed look-ahead Mode 32 can be used to set chamfer radius. To change the trajectory, making the corner be smooth. Therefore, it suits to high speed but normal accuracy occasion. Next mode, Mode 8, the speed limit of small circle. For arc motion, sometimes the speed is too high. It will cause angle deviation, the needed trajectory is not achieved. Arc speed limit is needed. Then how to solve this? Set one speed limit radius. When circle radius is bigger, no any limit. But when it is smaller, the speed limit will take effect. Okay, now, all 3 modes are introduced. Let's see one routine. This is the interface. And this is the trajectory it will move. The hexagon, which is captured by Scope tool. RTSys Debugging information, please check Lesson 6. It can be seen there are many parts. Firstly, connect to card by Ethernet or serial port or local. Absolute motion and relative motion. Select motion type. This is the most important. Above talked 3 modes. Which one you need, check it. And set corresponding parameters in here. Then, here, set your motion trajectory. 6 motions, because one hexagon interpolation is designed. Corresponding axis coordinates and states can be known from here. Now, let's operate it. Connect by local at first. Also, connect to RTSys at the same time. Open the debugging tool, Oscilloscope. Select needed axes and data. Click Start. After program runs, it will capture data automatically. Run it without look-ahead configuration. It is sampling. Obviously, the trajectory is very rough. See the real trajectory. 1 hexagon. Next, open corner declaration and auto chamfering functions. Set the corner starting angle as 30. The stop angle is 120. And the chamfering radius is 20. Before that, clear coordinates. Restart the scope. Run again. It can be seen corners are smoother. Including the speed trajectory, not so rough. Test small circle speed limit. Same, clear coordinates. Set the speed limit radius as 30. And see here, it draws one circle of 100 radius. Restart scope. Run the program. Now, it doesn't decelerate. Because the speed limit radius 30 is smaller the circle radius 100. If changes it as 150. Clear coordinates and restart scope again. Obviously, here speed is lower. Therefore, when the speed limit radius is more than arc radius, it will limit the speed. Okay, now, speed look-ahead function program operation is also shown. Today's knowledge is over. You also can check the article from Zmotion website support. Thank you for your watching. If you are interested in XPCIE1032H card or other controllers, please contact us.